Welcome to the Wealth Matters podcast, where investors come together to better understand how to build passive cash flow and create generational wealth without all the confusing mumbo-jumbo. Here's your host and co-author of Amazon #1 bestseller, Alpesh Parmar.
Welcome to Wealth Matters podcast. Hope you guys are doing great. I know crypto market has gone from up and down. Today on March 4th, I'm recording this episode and crypto went from 38,000 in a week to all the way to 44, close to 45K because of the war with Russia's invasion of Ukraine. It dropped. And then when Ukraine started receiving donations in cryptos because people were buying Bitcoin and Ethereum and sending those to Ukraine, cryptos continued to go up. It's back down to 41,000 right now. So as I have said before, cryptos will always be volatile. So just be careful with that. In this Monday section, I'm going to talk about another platform like Rally, where you can buy and sell art, or this is similar to Masterworks. You can buy and sell collectibles, basically shares of collectibles, and also NFTs. So this is why, again, it's related to crypto, but a lot of other markets. Here is what happened on February 23rd. I was like literally waiting for that Sotheby's auction to start, expecting to watch a historic lot get sold for about 30 million pre-auction estimate. And at the last minute, I realized, that the seller had withdrawn the lot at the last minute. Why? No idea. But it was a series of 104 crypto punks, including the lot of funny digital images. An owner decided to hold on to his crypto punks rather than sell. And he tweeted that I'm going to hodl, HODL, that says hold on for dear life. It's a common reference to holding crypto or holding on to an asset in the crypto space. So one thing is certain, the CryptoPunks is going crazy, and a lot of other NFTs, which is just one example of NFTs, are now considered collectible work of art, on par with some of the world's most famous paintings, sculptures, and photographs. Just between March and August of last year, we saw a handful sell for more than $5 million a piece, with one buyer paying then record 11.8 million for a rare COVID alien version at a Sotheby's auction. So this is just crazy. NFTs are here to stay. It's very hard for someone to look at that, 100 grand becoming 500,000 in a matter of months, or $1 million, right? NFTs are skyrocketing in price, but on the flip side, you can end up buying some NFTs which have no values after a while, right? So everyone is scared. I looked into it and I continued to dabble, and then realized that I like CryptoPunks or MeBeat or BAYC, Board AIP Yacht Club, but I can't fathom to invest that much. So I kept looking into platforms where I can buy NFTs, fractionalize NFTs, or maybe share NFTs with friends. Ended up finding Rally, RALLY platform. Used it already. I have not used today's platform. I have signed up. Of course, I'll start using it, but I wanted to record this video about it. And that second platform, this is called OTIS, OTIS. It's a fractional investing platform started by Michael, who previously founded online education community Skillshare, and he was an early employee at social media platform Behance. So this platform already has more than 100,000 users, and OTIS offers a lot of different assets, from baseball cards to rare sneakers, art, and all of these assets are securitized with the SEC, and they're then broken into small shares, right? Let's say it's $100,000 asset, they will let you buy shares worth of $10 into it, right? I like that way that I'm able to get in a pretty small amount, of course, basically because I'm trying to taste the waters. So it's exactly similar to Rally, and also similar, even the returns are crazy like Rally, right? Some of the gains on like 853% gain on a video game Halo, 198% on a 1986 baseball card set. So all that, and there are so many features in OTIS. One is called OTIS House, which is what is different from Rally, and that's why I'm like, okay, I should look into it. It allows users to send in their physical collectibles to OTIS and have them turned into NFTs. The asset you send must have minimum value of $5,000, like any asset which you bought for 5-10 grand. Once artist accepts that collectible, it will store at one of its secure climate control vaults in Delaware or New York City. Artist authenticates photographs and insures each item. Then it mints an NFT representing ownership of the actual item and sends the NFT to the owner's crypto wallet, right? So once your asset has been turned into an NFT, you are now free to do whatever you want with it. You can sell it through an auction or marketplace or borrow money against the NFT. A buyer can have artists deliver the physical item or keep it stored. The good thing is OTIS doesn't charge any fee for the vaulting services. It only collects a 5% royalty fee every time the asset is resold. So that's pretty interesting concept. So buyer or seller not losing much for listing the secure or having the asset at the secured location. The seller is just paying 5% of the royalty every time the asset is resold. And I actually just recently signed up for their other piece, right? So Artist House, I don't have any collectible like that. I wish I can send one of my watches, but that's exactly what it is, that you can convert a nice art or collectible you have into an NFT without working through hoops, right? If you try to do it on your own, there are a lot of technical details involved. So that's one piece. The second, they also call is that artist funds, and that's what I have signed up for, and I'm very interested about it, that artist is creating funds of different assets. One, they're actually creating two, one for physical collectibles and the other specifically for NFTs. And both of these funds are currently in tasting the water phase, right? So basically there is not much detail available. You have to sign up for it in the wait list, and then the artist will basically get minimum, I think they are doing minimum investment of $1,000, and they are going to raise about 75 million. And the fund will have, this one will have 220 fee structure. So it means that 2% of the annual management fee will be taken from your money, as well as 20% of any profits the fund makes goes to OTIS. So let's say you put $1,000, 2% would go away to asset management. And then let's say the asset is sold and your profit is another grand, they'll take 20% out of it. So you'll get like close to 1,800 back from your investment. So I'm going to share my screen and try to show how OTIS looks, and then you can decide if you would want to get invested in it. So the way OTIS is little different, as I said, there are two things: OTIS House, where they can convert your physical asset into NFT, and the second is OTIS Funds. So you can just invest in the fund itself instead of trying to buy into different NFTs or pick and choose NFT or art, right? Third different thing from Rally for OTIS is it is only available as an app when you want to buy and sell collectibles or NFTs and art. So as you can see, you'll have to download the app. So I have downloaded it on my phone. I still need to register. But these are the assets available right now. And as you can see, so many NFTs, right? There is MeBeat, there is CryptoPunk 2142. I think this CryptoPunk was the one available on Rally as well. So there are lots of, this is CryptoPunk 543. So a lot of CryptoPunk assets, of course, a lot of physical assets like Lionel Messi, Green Prism. So all of these assets are available, but if you want to buy and sell, you got to download the app, right? You can also list your own asset, right? There is also a magazine, so you can, of course, read through the magazine, which NFTs right now are gaining momentum, all that. And then there is funds section, which I mentioned, join the wait list, as you can read, and minimum investment is $1,000. I already signed up for it. So let's say when they reach out to me, right now it says coming soon. And I'm very interested in it because that way I let them pick the NFTs and I'll just invest in the fund. And as you guys are aware, I love passive investing because I want to add or create as much passive income as possible. So I have multiple sources of income. This is the OTIS house piece where you can, send your physical item and they mint NFT for you. And then you can have live auction. So this is pretty cool about OTIS, that they have a lot of ways for you to get started. So again, I am not endorsing this platform. I'm also just dabbling my feet in it. But if you are like me and don't want to keep following OpenSea, Rarible, and other platforms for NFTs, or you don't want to get whitelisted and try to mint NFTs, then you can just go on Rally or OTIS and try to buy small fractional shares of NFTs. So let me know what you guys think of this episode. Have a great day and great weekend. Enjoy.
Thanks for listening to the Wealth Matters podcast. If you enjoyed it, please leave us a 5-star rating on iTunes so others can enjoy the show too. Have a great week and happy investing!